Right guys, follow-up video on the Yamaha BT1100 swing arm bearings replacement. I actually found that the bearings themselves are an external circumference of 28mm and the internal size is 24mm. Now you can buy sleeve pulling gear, which I did buy, and unfortunately the step sizes that they are made in are 20 to 24 or 25 plus. Now 25 won't go in and 20 to 24 doesn't have enough grip to pull the bearings out. So what I had to resort to doing was passing a punch right through from one side to the other to knock the opposite side bearing out. So you'd punch in from this side through the bearing and cockle it and knock the right hand side bearing out. And then at the right hand side of the bike you would do the opposite procedure, put the punch in from that side and push this left hand bearing out. Putting them back in, you can actually push them in by hand to almost maybe 4 or 5 mil per hour, and then just push them in with a press tool the rest of the way. And then what I've done here is I've just liberally greased them up with CV grease before putting the centre pin in. Now I can put the universal joint cup back together, and then after I've cleaned my swing arm I can put my swing arm back. But day 2 and they've actually got the bearings changed, so we're on a success.